Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching TechTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Chocolatey on Windows 10. So, if you do not have Chocolatey installed on your system, you can check Chocolatey by just running this command either on PowerShell or on command prompt. So this means you have Chocolatey installed if this command is recognized. If you don't have, go ahead and launch your preferred browser and go to chocolatey.org and click on install now. Launch your PowerShell with admin rights and run these commands. So this is for Windows 7 and above, anything Windows 7 and above, and you simply have to run this command first to check if you have policies restricted. Also all signed policies, you need to have all signed. If you do not have, go ahead and run this command. Just select and copy and run this command with admin right with your PowerShell, and you're done. You just have to say yes and it's done. Now you want to check it again. Now it should say all signed. Now to install Chocolatey, you simply have to copy this command and run it with the admin right, and this will go ahead and install Chocolatey. So since I already have installed on my system, it's not going to take a long time. Now we will go ahead and install the Python. So I'm going to clear the screen, and to install any package with Chocolatey, you need to run PowerShell or command prompt with admin right and check the availability. To check the availability of the package, you simply say choco list Python. In this case, it's Python. Now it's going to tell you the number of the packages found. So it has 144 packages for Python. We are looking for the vanilla Python, so we will go ahead and install this one. This is 64-bit. In case if you're looking for 32-bit, you will have to say choco install and the complete name. So anything that you're going to install should not have marked with possibly broken flag. So I am assuming that you have 64-bit operating system and you are going to install 64-bit Python. In case if you have 32-bit, you go with this one. So to check the system type, you simply press the Windows key and pause break button on the right top of the keyboard, and you will see it says system type 64-bit. So I'm going to install the 64-bit of Python. So I simply say choco install Python. Oops. I could not find, so restricted install, so I misspelled it. Here we go. So now it's going to install Python 3.815, which is the most latest release of Python. You can see here. So it's always going to install the most latest release of any package that you're going to install. In case if you want to install Python 2, you will have to say Python 2 instead of Python. In case if you want to have both Python 2 and Python 3, you can go ahead and install Python 3 and 2 on your system with these commands. So simply say choco install Python 2, one word. This will install Python 2. If you want to install Python 3, the latest release, go ahead and say choco install Python 3. This will go ahead and install Python 3 64-bit and Python 2 64-bit as well. Now this is going to take some time. It's going to download and install it. So before it installs, it's going to ask for permission whether you want to add this Python to your system's path. So that's a very good thing it does. VC credit. These are a few other things that are required to run Python on your system. So choco, a lot of things are going on here. Do you want to run script? So simply type Y and hit enter. Okay, if you keep getting this, you simply type A, and that means uppercase A, and you are saying yes to everything, all the prompts that it's going to give you. So progress, VC credit 6. Oh, that's 32-bit. These are a few other things that Chocolatey installs with Python. Okay, so these are, I think, the Choco package maintainer, or maybe the contributor that's putting something in here. Alright, so it should be installed in just a few seconds here. After installing Python with Chocolatey, we will go ahead and check the Python version, and I will go ahead and quickly write and run Python on the system. So you can see it says installing Python 64-bit, Python 3 64-bit, approved, and this is something. Okay, so this is basically from Microsoft. These are Visual Studio, I don't know what they call, C++ packages. Alright, we are almost done here, performing other installation steps, and it shouldn't take long anymore. Okay, so Python has been installed. Now you can simply say Python -uppercase V. Okay, so we definitely need to restart the PowerShell or command prompt, and now it should be recognized Python 3.8.5. Alright, so I've got something here on my desktop. I'm going to use Nano. So Nano is installed with Chocolatey. You can simply go ahead and say choco installed Nano, and it will install the latest Nano on your system. So I've just written print hello world. I can simply say input and print input here like name. So I can say hello that should not work, but let's see. Now I can say hello, and it is asking for name, so it's working. So that's how you download and install Python 3.8.5 or the latest version of Python with Chocolatey. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment below. I will try to answer it ASAP. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye for now.